me some sunglasses. Oh! Hey guys, what's up? Today's video is going to be testing out a bunch of new products from Sephora. You guys have asked me so many times to test out this Nars Foundation, the Too Faced Diamond Highlight, the little palette from Tarte, Chocolate Gold. I mean, I got so much stuff to test out. This brand new at Sephora that just came out. So we're basically going to go through, test it out, and see if it's worth your dollar bills or if it's a pass. Basically, this is the first impressions of new makeup at Sephora, and I hope you guys are excited for it. I haven't really done one of these. I do Sephora hauls where I buy a bunch of stuff at Sephora, but now I'm actually going to be trying this stuff out. You know what I'm saying? Some of the stuff was sent to me in PR, to be fair, but I did go on the Sephora website and make sure it is new at Sephora before I put it in this video. So I'm going to go ahead and sing the subscribe song, and then we'll jump right into the video.
Be sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe.
Let's jump right into the video. Okay. I'm hot because I've been running around, and I put on the sweatshirt because it's a freezing cold, rainy day in LA, which is so rare. My cats are like, girl, we are not going out in the backyard. Who do you think we are? For starters, I'm going to try out a new primer, which technically tried this already, and I like it a lot. This is the new one from Benefit. So this is the Professional Pearl Primer. I think it's very, very, very similar to the first Professional, which is one of their best sellers. It's such a great primer. It goes on nicely. It really works to smooth out the skin and helps minimize the look of pores. This one's supposed to have a little bit of radiance to it, which it might. I don't notice a huge difference. I think both of the primers are great though. Like, I don't notice a huge radiance to it, but it does have a pink tint to it, which maybe you can see through here. I look a little more glowy. Now I'm going to try out the new Nars Foundation. So I'm excited for this. This is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I've heard really good things about this. This is a radiant foundation, so it's supposed to be a little glowy. I'm going to use 3.5. This is what it looks like. Nars is very good at making base products, which is products for the face. Comes with a pump. This is already a good sign. I'm gonna pump some out. This is a brand new bottle. Ooh, very creamy and whippy feeling. Like, I thought it was gonna be very liquidy and like squirt out everywhere, but it's not. It's got like a little bit of a creamy texture to it. The coverage of it, just like applying it to my face, seems to be pretty full. I'm gonna take my Y6 brush from Morphe. Ooh, this shade might be a little bit dark for her. She always thinks that she's a little more tan than what she is. Yes, I'm talking about myself in third person. Blending this out, it's blending out so nice. It looks really beautiful and like kind of loomy on the skin. And it just covered my zit really nicely, thank God. Oh my gosh, it's like going on so nice. A little bit kind of goes a long way with this stuff, and it feels really lightweight on my skin, but oh my gosh, it looks so pretty on. My first impressions is that Nars did that. Like, oh my gosh, it feels like, it looks so loomy, but it doesn't feel wet and heavy on my skin. It feels super lightweight. It covered up. I had a big red zit right here. It covered it very well. Okay. So far, I am here for it. Just some of my friends that have tried this out have said that this gets a little bit shiny throughout the day, which it is a loomy foundation, so that is pretty much in the description, but we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add some concealer, and then we'll move on to concealer and eyebrows. All right, next up we have the Chocolate Gold palette from Too Faced. I think the packaging is pretty darn cool on this, and it does smell like chocolate, and opening it up, it is surprisingly, the color scheme is actually a little bit different. I think Too Faced has gotten like a rut. In my personal opinion, their past palettes have looked the same over and over and over again, and I feel like this one does have some different colors in it, which is nice to see. I am actually going to be testing out this foiled finger paint palette from Tarte as well. It is an interesting choice of colors because these two look very similar, and then we have a cranberry and then some pretty cool glitters over here. Ooh, actually the colors look a lot different once you swatch them, but right off I was like, okay, these look the same. You see it's like bronze, champagne, and cranberry. Glitters are a little bit gritty, but not bad. I mean, they're just, you can feel the texture of the glitters a lot. Okay, so I want to use both palettes in this video, so I'm gonna have to figure out what colors. But I think first I'm gonna go in with So Bougie just as a transition shade. I'm gonna be using my R39 brush. So far, this color seems really creamy. That color blended out real nice, real nice, real nice. Next, I'm gonna take Chocolate Truffle on the same brush. Just gonna build up that crease a little bit to darken it. I really like this brush because it's tapered at the end, so it just pops right in that crease nicely. I'm gonna grab a little bit of Decadent. It's been a while since I used black eyeshadow. I've been keeping my looks a little lighter, but let's see what we got with Decadent. I'm going to take an E36 brush, which is a bit smaller, to fill in that inner corner. That way black eyeshadow doesn't like explode everywhere in my inner corner. I do not want it. Now I'm going to take a touch of Halafadala. I'm just going to press that. Ooh, it needs a little Matte Fix Plus. It's a little flaky. That's all right. Apply that kind of in that inner outer corner. With my finger, I'm going to take Gold Coast. Super pigmented. I'm going to apply it. Ooh, look at that in the center. These are really beautiful. Whoa, Nelly Belly. I'm going to go back to my little nugget brush and grab a little more of that Halafadala and just soften up those edges. That is really beautiful. Okay, let me add some lashes, some mascara, and some liner, and then we will continue on with our triary of new products. Alrighty, while my lashes are drying, I'm gonna go ahead and try out the Diamond Highlight. This is a multi-use highlight from Too Faced. This is another product that is, oh, it just comes out of the box. I haven't opened it yet. New at Sephora. It looks like this. Comes in this little jewelry box, so it's supposed to be like a diamond in the jewelry box. I'm going to take a R36 brush, sweep across the product. So honestly, just first impressions, it feels like super pressed in there and like nothing comes off. You know, I mean, you get, I'm not gonna lie, you get like a little bit of highlight, but this is not a blinding highlight. And I don't know if it's because it's so pressed in there. I don't know if it just feels so hard and dry. Also, I don't know what's in my hair. Oh, okay. But it's pretty, you know, if you like a little bit of a highlight. I don't know. I think it's a little bit gimmicky. It's not my favorite. Next, we're gonna try out the Cover FX glitter drops. These are new. That's what the box looks like. It's similar to their first custom cover drops or whatever, not cover, the illuminating drops. You know what I'm talking about. Well, we got 3 different shades. We have blue, pink, and then like a white one. I'm gonna try the middle one because I think that's gonna work out best. Let's see what happens. The best way to use these in the past is with a sponge, so I'm gonna use this on my little Morphe sponge. And I'm just gonna drip some on the sponge. All right, here I go. Oh! I mean, these are pretty and they work, but just so you know, it's straight up glitter on the face. So, I mean, these will be cute for like Coachella, really pretty. I don't know, they're really pretty. It's like such a fine grain glitter too, you can't feel it. So I like these. I mean, I think they're a pretty cool, interesting product. I think it's like an innovative way to use glitter, and it just adds sparkle, honestly, but it's so fine grain, it's not like hunks. It feels super smooth on the skin. So, I mean, these are nice. So they're glitter drops. They are what they say they are. Will I use these every single day? No, but I would definitely use these if I wanted a glittery moment, or if I was doing a cool look, or if I'm going to Coachella. I would definitely use these, so I think they're cool. Next, we got some new Lippies from Tarte. I think I'm gonna try out the bottom one. These are like lip toppers and then a lip gloss. Oh, this is lip paint. So actually I'm gonna put on this lip paint, which is new at Sephora. Of course, that's why I'm using it. And then I'm gonna add the lip topper on top. I'm gonna take an E36 brush in the 2 brown colors and blend them on my lower lash line while we're waiting on the lippy to dry. I'm gonna take an even tinier brush and I'm gonna grab a Decadent and just blend it really close so that way this black shade is not all up under our eyes. I'm not going for the raccoon look today. Not doing it. I'm gonna take this Morphe liner pencil in dark room and just do the waterline. I'm gonna take a little bit of Famous and apply it to my inner corner just to make it pop. Ooh, that shade is pretty. Okay, let's try out these lip toppers and see the tea, honey. The bronze is called Park Avenue Princess. Oh my god. I mean, honey. So it's a little bit too much for me as far as like, this is a personal preference, but I just would not wear something. I just wouldn't wear something quite that golden. It just looks like I kissed a pot of gold. A little bit strong for my personal preference. So let's just try on High Standards by itself. It might be prettier. That's definitely a little bit better. I definitely like High Standards better. These are not something I would wear on the regular. They're just a little bit too glittery, but it is pretty overall. Yeah, so lots of sparkle in today's look. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Basically, the only products I didn't really like was that last lip topper, Park Avenue Princess, and then the highlighter from Too Faced. The rest of the products worked out great and are really, really pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this method of kind of a Sephora haul. Let me know down in the comment sections what's your favorite product that I tested out today. And comment the word apple if you stay till the very end of this video. Or an apple emoji. Either way, I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here and watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video.